Hello, and welcome to Best English Podcast. Today, we have a simple but important question. Why can you understand English, but you cannot speak it? You watch videos, you learn new words, and you study again and again. But when it is time to speak, you feel nervous and your mind goes blank. Maybe you even think, English is not for me. Listen carefully. This is not your fault, and you are not weak. You just need a better method. Today, I will show you a simple, step-by-step way to start speaking English and gaining confidence. We will go through these steps with easy examples and short practice activities. First, start with simple speaking. Do not wait to be perfect. Many learners make a big mistake. They wait. They wait for perfect grammar or full confidence. They tell themselves, I will speak when my English becomes good. But if you wait, you do not start. And if you do not start, you do not improve. Time passes and your English stays the same. That thinking stops you from improving. Don't do that. Instead, speak small sentences right now. You become better by speaking, not by waiting. For example, try saying these short sentences out loud. I am learning English. I feel nervous, but I try. I am ready to speak. These are short and easy. Speak them clearly, even if you sound slow. It is okay if you make mistakes. Mistakes are a normal part of learning, like falling when you learn to ride a bike. The important thing is to speak and learn from the mistakes. Start with what you can do. You will get better step by step. Practice. Stand in front of a mirror. Speak one simple sentence about yourself, such as, my name is, or I like English. Repeat this sentence 5 times. Focus on speaking clearly. After that, you can try another sentence like, I love learning English, and repeat it several times. This exercise warms up your speaking muscles. Now, speak every day. You must train your mouth as well as your mind. Many people understand English but do not practice speaking regularly. They watch videos and read, but they forget to use their mouth. Speaking is a physical skill, like exercise for your tongue, lips, and voice. If you do not train them, your mouth will be slow to form the words. You may think, I know the word, but I cannot say it. That is normal at first, but you can fix it by speaking often. Think of speaking like a muscle. If you want strong muscles, you exercise every day. Similarly, if you want clear speech, practice every day. Start small. For a few minutes each day, speak out loud about simple things. For example, I am drinking water. Or, I am writing an email. Or, now I am opening the door. You can even say, it is morning and I am eating breakfast. Or, I am reading a book right now. These sentences are short and easy. Saying them helps your voice become faster and more confident over time. Each day, you will notice progress, and soon, speaking will feel easier. Practice. Pick an object near you, like a cup, a book, or a bag. Speak out loud for 1 minute describing it in English. For example, this is a cup. It is blue. It holds water. I drink water from this cup. Keep speaking about the object, even if you have to repeat some words. This simple daily practice trains your mouth and helps you think of sentences more quickly. Every day you do this, your speaking will improve. Another tip? Stop translating in your head. Many learners think in their own language and then try to turn it into English. This makes speaking slow and hard. Try to think directly in English without translating word by word. Start with simple thoughts. Look around and tell yourself in English, "This is a chair. I am walking. I feel happy." It might feel strange at first, but each time you do it, your brain learns and it gets easier. When you practice thinking in English often, your mind starts working in English more, and you won't need to translate step by step. For example, if you want to say you are drinking tea, instead of thinking in your language, think, "I am drinking tea." If you are going home, think, "I am going home." The more you practice, the faster you will speak. Practice. Spend 1 minute silently thinking in English. Name 5 things you see around you in English. For instance, if you see a phone, think, "This is a phone." If you see water, think, "I have some water." If you see a chair, think, "This is a chair." Keep doing this for 1 minute without using your native language. This trains your mind to think in English. Now, listen and copy. To speak natural English, you need to hear natural English. Find a short English sentence from a video or audio clip. Listen carefully, then pause and repeat exactly what you heard. Try to copy the speaker's words, pronunciation, and tone. This is called shadowing. Just listening is good, but speaking along makes a big difference. By repeating, you train your voice and improve your pronunciation. For example, find a one-sentence clip like someone saying, "Good morning, have a nice day." Listen to it, then say, "Good morning, have a nice day." Try to match the way the speaker sounds. Do this a few times until you feel comfortable. Each repeat makes you a bit more natural. This shadowing will help your speaking sound smoother and more native-like. Practice. Find a short sentence from an English video or audio lesson. Listen to it 2 or 3 times. Then pause and repeat it exactly 3 times, speaking clearly. For instance, if the sentence is, "I am very happy today," say it out loud 3 times. I am very happy today. I am very happy today. I am very happy today. Match the pronunciation and rhythm of the original. This repeated listening and speaking will improve your pronunciation. Practice. Try an extended shadowing exercise. Pick a short line from a beginner English video or a slow speech. Play the audio and speak along at the same time, trying to mimic the speaker's rhythm and tone. Do this for about 2 minutes. For example, if the line is, "Thank you for listening." Speak along with it until you feel your speech flow like the speaker's. Keep practicing until you can say it smoothly. Also, learn phrases, not only single words. Fluent speakers think in phrases, groups of words that go together. For example, instead of just the word go, learn a phrase like go to the market. Instead of just eat, think eat dinner now. Phrases help you speak faster and sound more natural because you don't have to think of each word one by one. Phrases are like building blocks for sentences. Practice some common phrases. For example, "How are you doing?" "I don't feel good today." "I will do it later." "I am looking forward to it." Or, "Nice to meet you." Say these phrases out loud several times. Use them whenever you can. At first, it might feel like memorizing, but soon your brain will start using them automatically. Practice. Pick 3 useful phrases from the list above or from your daily life. For each phrase, speak it 5 times clearly. For example, take, "I am getting ready." Repeat it. I am getting ready. I am getting ready. I am getting ready. Then take, what are you doing? And repeat it 5 times. Then, I will do it later. Repeat it 5 times. This repetition helps the phrases feel natural. Practice. Use one of these phrases in a short role play. For example, pretend a friend asks you, "How are you?" And you answer with a phrase. "I don't feel good today." Then pretend another question. "What will you do this evening?" And answer, "I will do it later." Even imagining the conversation counts. Speaking this way, even alone, builds confidence in real conversations. Next, be consistent and practice daily. Consistency creates progress. Many people start learning English with energy, but then skip practice. They think, "I will do it later." But later never comes. Fluency is not from one big effort. It comes from small steps every day. Even 15 or 20 minutes of practice daily can lead to big improvements over time. Make English part of your routine, like brushing your teeth. Choose a fixed time each day, maybe in the morning or evening, and do something in English. It could be speaking, listening, or reading. Even on busy days, do something small, like thinking in English for a few minutes or listening to a short clip. Keeping the habit means you keep improving. Each day, focus on progress, not perfection. Plan a simple daily routine. For example, decide that every morning you will listen to a short English audio and repeat one sentence. Set an alarm or reminder. Each day, do this routine, even if only for 10 minutes. Put a check on a calendar each time you complete it. Small daily steps will build a big habit and keep you motivated. Next, build your confidence. Speak without fear. Many learners are afraid of making mistakes or worry about what others think. This fear often keeps you silent. But remember, confidence comes after action. You do not wait to feel confident. You feel confident after you speak. Mistakes are normal, not failures. Even native speakers make mistakes sometimes. The key is to keep communicating. Each time you speak, you get a little more confident. Trust that you are learning. Practice. Answer a simple question out loud, even if no one is listening. For example, ask yourself, "What is your favorite color?" And answer, "My favorite color is blue." Then ask another question. "What are you learning today?" And answer, "I am learning English." Each answer you give, even by yourself, builds your confidence a bit more. Practice. If you feel brave, ask a family member or friend a simple question in English, such as, "How are you?" Or, "What is your name?" Then respond in English. It's okay if you speak slowly or make mistakes. Each time you try, you become more confident. Practice makes progress. Now, speak in real situations. Practice alone is helpful, but real conversations give you the best experience. Start small. You can say hello to someone in English or answer a simple question. Order food with English. For example, say, "I want a coffee, please," or "Can I have a sandwich?" These real-life steps build your speaking skill. Don't wait for a perfect moment. People will usually understand or appreciate your effort. Real practice is what builds real fluency. The more you use English in daily life, the more natural it becomes. Practice. Find a real situation today to use English. Greet someone. "Hello, how are you?" Or say, "Good morning." Or order something. Say, "I would like a sandwich, please." It might feel a bit challenging, but try to speak that one sentence in a real situation. Every real attempt helps you grow and builds your skill. Improve your vocabulary naturally. You don't need to learn many difficult or rare words. Instead, focus on useful words that you use every day. Think about your daily routine. Learn words like hungry, tired, happy, busy, or simple actions: eat, go, help. Use these words in sentences. For example, I am very hungry, or she looks tired today. Learning words in context helps you remember them. Now think about your journey. How many times did you try to learn English and then stop? You know the truth now. You don't need perfect English to start. And you don't need a huge vocabulary right away. You just need to start speaking and never stop practicing. Each day, one step forward, and you will be surprised by your progress. You have got this. If you found these tips helpful, please subscribe to Best English Podcast and share this lesson with someone who wants to speak English. Remember, speak today, practice today, and keep moving forward. We will see you in the next episode. Keep practicing and good luck.